One quiet night, when the forest was dark and calm, little bear Milo was getting ready for bed. The lights in his cozy home were soft. The air felt gentle on his furry cheeks. As he was about to climb into his bed, Milo stopped for a moment. He tilted his head and listened. The night was not silent. It was quiet, but full of soft whispers. Milo heard the wind moving through the tall trees, too. It sang very softly. He heard the dried leaves from the day gently touch the ground. They rustled, like a tiny secret being shared. Milo listened again, his ears twitching. Far away, an owl said hello to the moon, who its voice was deep and friendly. A small smile appeared on Milo's face. The sounds were not scary at all. They were calm and soothing. It felt like the forest was talking quietly, telling its own bedtime story. Milo took a deep, slow breath in, filling his lungs with the cool night air. And then he slowly breathed out, letting all his worries drift away with his breath. Each sound felt slow and safe, the gentle whoosh of the wind, the soft shee of the leaves, the distant hoot of the wise old owl. Milo walked over to his little wooden bed. He pulled his favorite warm blanket up close to his chin. He listened one more time, snuggling into his pillow. Everything sounded peaceful and just right. It felt like the whole forest was resting with him. The dark night was like a big warm blanket, watching over everyone. Milo closed his eyes. His breathing became even and slow. His body felt soft and heavy, ready for sleep. The night sounds stayed outside, like friendly guards, keeping Milo safe and sound in his dreams. That night, Milo slept peacefully, listening to the gentle music of the forest. The night stayed calm. The forest stayed quiet, and little Milo dreamed sweet dreams until the morning sun peeked through his window.